Hello guys, my name is Sandelia. Today I'm in front of you with a new topic in physics that is light. The world is largely known through the senses. The sense of sight is one of the most important senses. Through it, we can see mountains, rivers, trees, plants, chairs, people, and so many other things around us. We also see clouds, rainbows, and birds flying in the sky. At night, we see the moon and the stars. You are able to see the words and sentences printed on your page. How is seeing made possible? So now the first topic is loss of reflection. After striking the mirror, the ray of light is reflected in another direction. The light ray which strikes any surface is called incident ray. The ray that comes back from the surface after reflecting is known as reflected ray. The line representing the mirror at the point where the incident ray strikes the mirror, the line is known as the normal to the reflecting surface. Between the normal and incident ray is called the angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. So friends, now let's see about the first law of reflection. Angle of incidence is always equal to an angle of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. The, the incident ray and the reflected ray all lie on the same place. This is the another law of reflection. I think you all know about the lateral inversion. So now I am going to say in deep about lateral inversion. The image formed by a mirror, the left of an object appears on the right and the right of an object appears on the left. So this is known as lateral inversion. So friends, the second topic is regular and diffuse reflection. When all the parallel rays reflected from a rough or irregular surface are not parallel, the reflection is known as diffused or irregular reflection. Remember that the reflection is not due to the failure of loss of reflection. It is caused by the irregularities in the reflecting surface like that of a cardboard. On the other hand, reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called regular reflection. Images are formed by regular reflection. So friends, now let's see about what is inside our eyes. We see things only when light coming from them enters our eyes. Eye is one of the most important sense organs. It is therefore important to understand its structure and working. The eye has roughly spherical shape. The outer coat of eye is white. It is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accidents. Its transparent front part is called cornea. Behind the cornea, we find a dark muscular structure called iris. In the iris, there is a small opening called the pupil. The size of pupil is controlled by the iris. The iris is a part of an eye which gives it a distinctive color. When we say that a person has green eyes, we refer actually to the color of iris. The iris controls the amount of light entering into the eye. So, the impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there about 1/16th of a second. So, if still images are moving, objects are flashed on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second. Then the eye perceives this object as moving. Nature has provided eyes with the eyelids to prevent any object from entering the eye. Eyelids also shut out light when not required. Eye is such a wonderful instrument that is normally can clearly see distant object as well as the objects nearby. The minimum distance at which the eye can see object distinctly varies with age. The most comfortable distance at which you can read with a normal eye is about 25 centimeters. Some persons can see objects close to them clearly but cannot see distinct objects so clearly. On the other hand, some persons cannot see objects nearby clearly but they can see distinct objects quite well with suitable corrective lenses. These defects of the eye can be corrected. Sometimes, particularly in old age, eyesight becomes foggy. It is due to eye lens becoming cloudy. When it happens, persons are said to have cataract. There is a loss of vision. sometimes extremely severe. It is possible to treat this defect. The opaque lens is removed and the new artificial lens is inserted. Modern technology has made this procedure simpler and safer. So, the next topic is care of the eyes. It is necessary that you take proper care of your eyes. If there is any problem, you should go to an eye specialist, have a regular checkup. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Too little or too much light is bad for eyes. Insufficient light causes eye strain and headaches. Too much light, like that of the sun, a powerful lamp, or a laser, that can injure your retina. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Never rub your eyes. If particles of dust go into your eyes, wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to a doctor. Always read at the normal distance of vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes or keeping too far. So, friends, you all know about the system Braille. What is the Braille system? The most powerful resource for visually challenged persons is Braille. Braille, himself a visually challenged person, developed a system for visually challenged persons and published it in 1821. The present system was adopted in 1932. There is Braille code for common languages, mathematics, and scientific notation. Many Indian languages can be read using Braille system. So friends, these are the two questions. If you know the answers of these two questions, please keep your answer in comments. Thank you.